Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you how much I really love my new MoValues Rose Quartz Roller and Gua Sha set.
The smooth roller has a solid frame and a comfy handle, and the rigid roller can actually be used to reduce tension that blocks circulation and helps bring back fresh skin. Of course, the mini roller is great for around the eyes. Because it's a naturally cool gemstone, it feels so nice under the eyes, and of course, it does a really good job of depuffing. The gua sha stone is properly curved for facial contours, so it's really easy to use and it's beautiful to help release tension and unlock connective tissue. I really love the fact that when I use this, I'm able to naturally help my skin reduce fine lines, soothe inflammation. I want to try and reduce wrinkles as I get older. And of course, being able to flush my lymphatic system and just really help with puffiness of the skin. I think in all of these areas, the Rose Quartz Beauty Kit really just seems to help everything.
And that's my point of view.